Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. Now my paper is dry. I apply a generous amount of dark green paint along the edge of the water. Then use a fan brush to pull the color upwards, creating the grass. I do the same in this area as well. For the reflection in water, add some of the same color and pull it downward with a fan brush again. The grass that is farther away should be painted shorter and lighter. And its reflection in the water doesn't need to be very clear. I just drag the brush lightly through the water area. I do this part the same way. I try to bring this section slightly into the grass area. With the same brush, we can also add a few blades of grass on the meadow. Now I will use the dark brown to paint the tree. Pay attention to how I hold the brush in my hand. When you hold the brush this way, you will have more control. And using the tip of the brush and taking your time. I switched to thinner brush because I want to draw finer branches. We have to paint a large tree here because it's close to us, so its size should be bigger. And pay attention to the direction of the branches. They are all different. In my tree tutorial videos, I have taught several types of trees that you can use. Those videos can be really helpful for you. Now I take a larger brush, wet it, and start adding the leaves. We shouldn't paint them in neat pattern. Just use dapping strokes, adding green whenever needed. You can do this easily with practice. I also use darker color. Don't stick to just one shade of green. add different greens as well. For the leaf edges, I place small dots and the inner parts are painted darker.